Oh, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Wisterias are extremely popular as climbing plants. Perfect on wall, fence or arch. This is Wisteria prolific. Quite a tall one. It's thereabouts 6 feet, 6.5 feet high. And that's about 2 stems trained up like that. And then we have 3 stems trained like that as well. Great sizes straight away for immediate impact. And there's a white wisteria as well. This is Longissima or Chironoda, long white flowers. All reliable. This from now on is the time of year for planting. Now the other option with wisteria is to plant them, older plants, trained up like this as in a tree form. So you can train them out as a little small tree in your garden and they look fantastic like that. There's white Longissima again, Longissima alba. Gorgeous hanging flowers, hanging down. Let them grow as high as you like really, but maybe up to 7 feet high with branches arching out. This one is Fuji, which is light purple and cream, and great strong plant here as well, all ready for planting out now. Jazai, which is purple and white, and then pink. And it's a nice pink one. Great strong plant straight away. So this is a tree form, and this is the trained in a climbing fashion. All planted the same way. Decent sized planting hole, a little bit of super tri planted fertilizer at the bottom, with the compost and soil on top, and the same back in the round, and of course plant level, the same depth as they are in the container. So super tri at the bottom, compost and soil on top, and the same back in the round. So climbers for wall, fence or arch, or individual tree forms are standing out on their own, and they look fantastic. Or you can grow them in a pot or container if you wish. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.